Obfuscate code entry. What does that mean? So what it basically means is that we don't want to allow passersby to see the numbers on the screen as I enter them. So instead of showing 1 when I press a 1, see how when I enter a code, it shows me the number on the screen. It turns a star on the number I've entered, but on the number I entered prior, and then the current number, it shows the actual number on the screen. So if I've got somebody standing behind me and I don't really want to have it show up here, I can do something called Obfuscate Code Entry. And I'm going to show you how to do that. Close the door. Okay, so now in order to obfuscate code entry, you press the menu button, scroll down the system menu, and you press OK. Then you enter your manager code or supercode. And then you scroll down until you see that word Obfuscate Code Entry. And I'm going to jump down here. There it is there. Obfuscate Code Entry. Press OK. And now what it'll do is instead of displaying the number that I just pressed, it will just show stars. So 6 shows a star, 5 star, 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 star. So all that's doing is just trying to hide your code so that somebody passing by can't see on the screen, oh, it said I pressed number 2. So that's how that works. If you didn't want to have obfuscate code entry, it wasn't important to you, you could simply go back into the menu system and turn that off again. So I'll go back in and scroll down to obfuscate. And now it says show code entry. Press OK. And then back. And now when I enter my code, it'll show you the number and it'll be back to normal. Okay? So that is Obfuscate Code Entry on a ProLogic series.